Hello Lombard City traders, today is Monday, August the 3rd, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning Central Time. The theme of today's video is when is the pump over and when do you take profits? I'm sitting with a lot of profitable trades right now, small moves up 10-20% like this, and is it time to take profit in this trade or not? This is when I bought in and I sold out part of my position way too early, and I'm still holding part of my position as it's gone up this high. And is it time to take profits on this trade? Some people are taking profits. Here's the buy-sell wall. That's CLAMs. Now, of course, MAID just made a drop in price, and the curious thing about this is that, let's zoom into the 2-week view. I sold out of my entire MAID position right here, and I set my price to buy back in, and then I got cold feet, and I took part of the money and I bought MXR and I bought XCP, some counterparty, and then I got the fear of missing out and I bought back into my MAID position with half of my MAID money. So I took some profits there at the right time, and it was interesting to have scoped this out because of these spikes down, the spike down, the spike down. I was thinking, it looks like somebody's dumping, price is resisting it a bit, but pretty soon, and it looked like it was time to go. So I congratulate myself on seeing that and getting that half correct. Now we've got vanillacoin, which has also made a big move up and is really being volatile here at this price here. People are really selling and buying and selling and buying. Hard to say, is it going to crack this 12 Bitcoin wall at 50,000 satoshi? The next one's at 62,000 satoshi. And is it time to take profit on that and then watch for it to come back a bit? Vanilla is an interesting trade to me because I purchased in on the 28th of July and then I purchased in more here on the 1st of August. And I'm just dealing with small amounts, but the timing of it is the most important part. So here we have the 28th of July buying, and then the 1st of August buying more. And sure enough, the 28th and the 1st of August turned out to be just perfect places to purchase. Now is it time to sell out and take this profit and make this into a case study of another really good trade by following these signals. Bytecoin is another market that I'm holding a profit in, and I was buying and selling here and then buying in and buying in. Now we're at a profitable position, but do I take my profits or do I hold on for more of a run? This one, it looks like I keep my profits and wait for more of a run. I do have a little bit set to sell out at different levels and take my initial investment back, and then I've got the rest of my money is all risk capital. After I sold out of my MAID, I bought into some counterparty because of this long-term chart and because it's coming into these high levels again. I thought it was breaking out, so I bought some more. Right now it's about break even. GMC is really taking off right now. It's actually going through the roof right now. This is time to sell. Sell at 95. Sell. Well, interesting to have this live capture of this trade because I'm waiting to buy back in. Okay, we'll come back to this one. Certainly was an awesome timing to be there right when it was at its crazy peak and able to sell my stuff for that much profit. The next one I bought into here is SDC, and I just bought into that today. And I did that because of this long-term chart. And I don't know anything about this coin yet, but since it's called Shadow, I imagine it's got to do with privacy. Higher lows, consolidation pattern, long-term stability once it went up to this level. So I'll look into more of that coin, but I bought a little bit of it, just 10 of the coins, I think. Okay, 29 of the coins, which right now is worth $8 something. Cora I bought on a whim because it made this spike up, and I thought, okay, I'll throw in a little bit of coin and see what's going on there. 60,000 coin, 0.09009. And Flora is a coin that I had to sell out of some of my position. I bought in at pretty high prices and holding it as it's been fading off, but finally I made myself sell out of part of the position. I had 10,000, sold 4,000, and I still have a fairly sizable position in for this coin, but I really held and lost a good percentage on the way down there. So I still believe in it. I still think it's got potential, but I'm disappointed. That's actually one of my worst trades here in the whole bunch. Let's go back to Gamecredits and see when to buy back in, because that was enormous. Now is the time to buy back in. Now we have a commitment on both sides. And so that wraps up my review for today, and some interesting trading going on there in the live trades. If you've got some comments about when is the good time to get out of a pump, how do you recognize the time to sell out, I'd be keen to have your comments. Thanks again for watching. Glad to have you as part of the community. Bye for now.